Good morning children and welcome to our class for subject English Grammar. Today's chapter we are going to study chapter number 15 and it is about ability. The ability to do something, the ability to work on upon. So we use the models can, could, was or able to. When we want to express our ability, then we use in our sentences the models as can, could, was and able to. Let us see the sentences and the rules for this chapter. We use can to talk about ability. Can you run? Can you walk? Can you draw? Can you sing? Can you dance? This we use to know the ability of a person. Present or future, whether can you run? Yeah. Short forms can plus not, cannot or can't. We use could to talk about the ability in the past. When you want to talk about ability in a sentence, keep this rule in mind that we will use could. He could draw very well. For the present we use he can draw very well. So be careful about when to use can and when to use could when we want to express the ability of a person in the past tense and in the present tense. Could is used only for ability and not for something that really happened. Keep this in mind. Could can be used. See, could is used only for the ability and not for something that really happened. It's only an ability to express, not the fact that has happened. Use as were able to for ability and action. We can use as were able to for ability plus action. Let us see how. Present ability, see children, that is WH, can, that is the model, subject, then that is the BFV, that is the before verb, and that is the EW. Can you do it? Can she cook biryani? Can he help you? See the question form. Present ability, negative sentence, cannot will come instead of can. Same thing, subject plus the formula. I cannot teach French. She cannot cook. He cannot swim. This is the present ability. How we use can and could. This is the past ability. Past ability we use anytime, whenever we wanted. That is the thing plus subject plus could plus the verb and plus the EW. When she was here, she could call me. When she was here, we are talking about the past. Could is used, not can. She could call me when she was here. Mr. Jinan could speak English well. Could, past ability. Past ability. We were not able to do something because it was impossible. The formula subject could not before verb and EW. I could not take medicine this morning. He could not meet me last night. She could not go abroad. So you got to know the past ability could, the present ability can. Let's see the next, future. The future ability for negative. We use subject, will not be able to before verb and the expected verb. I will not be able to meet Cesar this Friday. He will not, because it is future, so we use will. And what do we use? Not and be able to. Future ability is not able to. The present ability is can. The past ability is could. So remember these keywords, the models which we use to construct correct sentences for ability, to express the ability. He will not be able to help us. It's very simple if you apply the correct rule. Future ability, interrogative, when it is the question form. We put the will before. Will you be able to come here tomorrow night? Will she be able to cook biryani in the future? Will he be able to walk tomorrow? When will he be able to walk? This is the interrogative and the simple tenses, simple sentences that we construct. We studied about the present, past and the future about ability form. Let's see some examples. Can or be able to. Can or be able to. When do we use? This is an additional for you. She can speak Spanish very well. She is able to speak Spanish very well. I could run much faster when I was younger. That is the past. I was able to run much faster when I was younger. We are talking about the past. Let's see here. He's been able to swim since he was 2 years old. Ability, able to. There is no way to use can or could in this sentence and keep the same meaning. We cannot keep the same meaning. So, we don't use can and could. We use being able to. I like being able to choose my own working hours. After like, we need a verb with ing. So, we need to use be able to. There is no way to use can and could. I like being able to choose my own working hours. Right, children? So, I hope things are clear with you with so many sentences and with so many examples. Yes? One way, ability in the past tense we have learned. This is one more clarity I am giving you. General ability plus specific ability. Could be able to, be able to for the past. For the present, we use can or be able to. For the past, we use only could or be able to. These are the two options. By the time he was 4, Rahul was able to read and write. In high school, Rani was able to beat anyone in a running race. I was able to mimic birds' sound when I was young. See, when we are past, ability was able to. How we have used not can and could. Was able to, was able to, was able to. First person, second person, third person. For ability, we have used was able to. Will be able to for the future. I will be able to drive. I will be able to swim very soon. She will be able to speak fluent English. Past, present and future with ability. If you are in the past and when we are using the ability, we don't use can and could. For the future, we use will be able to. Yes, children, will plus be able to. So, all the three tenses I have explained with this. Again, now could and can, when do we use? We usually don't use can. I could smell. When the senses come, we use only could, not and can. For the negative, we use could not. I could not understand. I could understand. That is the affirmative and the negative sentence. Hope the chapter is clear to you. Please complete your exercise from the PDF. Stay fit and healthy.